Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to reset the screenshot counter on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na tong registry editor, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung export. And then dito sa export registry file, so select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then I will suggest and recommend to creating a file name must be with a date. Okay, so lagyan mo lang siya ng date dito sa file name. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung save. Alright, and then if you needed to import it back, so it's very simple again. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas, and then select mo lang dito yung import. And dito sa import registry file, so select mo lang dito kung saan mo isinave yung file, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Right, so proceed na tayo. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-double click ka lang dito sa HK current user, so double click. And dito sa HK current user, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung software, so double click ulit. And dito sa software, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft, okay? So double click ulit dito sa Microsoft. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows. So double click ulit dito sa Windows. And then dito sa Windows, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung current version, so double click ulit. And then dito sa current versions, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Explorer, alright? So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag one time click, so one time click. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung screenshot index. Okay, so ito siya. So once na-locate mo na tong screenshot index, and then next step, so select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang value name, so double check, dapat screenshot index. At dito lang sa value data, ang numbers dito ay kailangan mo lang i-change into number 1. So ibig sabihin ay to disabled po siya. Alright? So kapag may nakita kang ibang numbers dito like 6 or 7, so i-change mo lang into value data number 1. And then dito sa kanyang base and dito sa hexadecimal, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Right, so after dito sa registry editor, ang next step, dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reset screenshot counter in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.